Okay. Lights are on. Cameras are on. Recorders are on. Here we go. A little cloudy day today. It's about 80. Got a wind that seems like it's out of the east and we're going east. Today we're doing some more checks on the camera and sound equipment. I'm continuing to use the smartphone as for sound recording. The rear camera seems like it's okay. The front camera mounted low on the bar with the aluminum mount was picking up a lot of vibration. So today I've put a couple more links in the mount and see if that helps any. I'm looking at the camera and it does seem to be vibrating, so it may not work out so well, but we'll just have to try it and see. So today we're just going to go on our usual route around the neighborhood, Cleveland Drive, over to Riverside, probably up to the Riverside boat ramp and back, and that'll be about 10 miles. Good morning to you, or good afternoon. Okay, heading out. It's a really pretty day today. Light breeze out of the north, I'd say, no, 5 to 10 maybe at that. The plan is to ride up to Hathaway Park. That's about an 8-mile trip one way, and depending on how we feel and get there, might press on a little further or come back for a total of 16 miles. So today I've got a new mount. It's on a ball. And we'll see how it works out. I don't think the camera is vibrating quite as much. Neat thing about it, you can roll it down, get a little different perspective. Roll it up. Have a look to the side. Have a look at the operator. I don't know what kind of shot we're going to get there. Look at the other side. Back around, down the road. So, coming up on Highway 17. Lots of traffic coming, we're going to have to stop. So look at some of that traffic, holy cow. Camera mount is the iSportgo, which has a ball mount which allows it to be positioned anywhere you want it. Pretty nice mount, I think. It's stable, fairly rigid, doesn't seem to transmit a lot of vibrations to the camera. Doesn't take up a lot of room on the bar. I don't know what's not to like about it.